Ayan guys, I'm back. Ayan guys, nire-ready na nila yung yung gagamitin para sa activity mamaya, ang Easter Sunday hunting egg. Yun naman nakita kong egg dun, oh. Yung kulay orange saka kulay green na egg. Ayun. Ayun. Kita nyo yun? Sa may mangga. Puno ng mangga. May yung kulay orange sa kulay green. Yun yung yun yung egg. Wala pang nakakakita. Mamaya pa naman alas 3. So inayos pa lang yung venue. And guys, magpaparegister na kami. Ating activity ngayon. Register first. Remove this.
Ulit sa ating mga kapitbahay sa tabi. Sa ating mga kids na nasa loob po ng ating mga bahay, pwede po kayo punta rito. Punta na po rito sa tabi para po celebrate ang Easter Sunday. Yan. Yun, galingan pa lang. That's 2 hour effort and time para po mag-paint ng Easter eggs. May saglit na story lang, okay? So, ikukwento mo lang our committee. Yan. So, makinig ha. So, one early Sunday morning, sa ating mga kids sa kanilang Easter egg painting.
Much more slowly hopping now. Much more slowly hopping now.
5 jelly beans just for me. Thanks, Mom. 5 little jelly beans from the candy store. The red one. Now there are 4.
Okay. All our kids are doing their paintings. Diba, water-based naman po yung ating mga coloring materials.
Messi?
No, gawa ka ng balon. Let's mix some colors. Para makikita yung ating Easter egg.
What color blue and other?
Maglaro sila ay wala bibigyan lollipop.
Our committee will take a picture para malaman po kung sino po yung ating magiging best in Easter egg coloring.
Time to hop along. This is the way the bunny hops. Hop, 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 hop. This is the way the bunny hops on Easter day. On Easter day. Biggest one.
We'll ask the committee po to take some pictures
Easter baskets.
for documentation po yun.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Just gonna have to go through it.
We're gonna have to go through it.
Forest.
Big, big forest.
We can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go under it.
What's that?
We're just gonna have to go through it.
We're gonna have to go through it.
Stumble trip, stumble trip, stumble trip, stumble trip. We're going on the east. We have to go into.
We're gonna have to go into
Sure, it's dark in here. It's the biggest chocolate Easter egg ever.
Put it in your basket and let's go home and eat it.
Whose kids are finished in coloring? Yun, okay. So, our committee will go to you and take some pictures of your Easter egg. Okay, so start po tayo sa sa dulo po. Yan. Ayan. Show your egg creations.
Smile and then show your egg.
Baka mo na yan. Forward, forward, forward. Forward, forward. Diretso. Kanan, 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 kanan. Tama, ay. Wala na. Hindi ko pa kumain.
The other one. Okay.